Hello, this is Eric of Sparky Tech, and this is my review of the Neewer NW-14 precision screwdriver set. Now, why did I get this one? Well, for one, it was free shipping if I purchased over a certain amount, so now you know. These bits are made from chromoly steel, which is often used when more strength is required than that of mild carbon steel. For your reference, this is the sizing of the different tools included in this package. Getting a proper precision screwdriver set is difficult, and this one is better than the one I had before. Let's lay this out and have a look at these accessories. We have some very small precision bits, and here's some slightly bigger different flatheads, as well as our largest flathead, which is so small still. You're going to use this as a terminal driver to do fine repair work. If you're an electrician, you'll know what a terminal driver is. Here are two of the smallest Phillips, and here are the next two larger size of Phillips heads. Exactly identical, two of the exact same. Maybe I'm doing a repair where I need a Phillips head and maybe I need a flathead. They do stick in magnetically, so there's no risk of losing them. As we can see, it's sticking really nicely. They don't just fall out without any purpose. You have to give them a little bit of a pull for them to come out. Lovely. To start things off, let's start with a really small screwdriver head. Here's our very small screw on our screwdriver and the watch we're going to apply this to. Here I have a screw for this computer case, and we're going to use this here with the biggest bit possible that we have in this precision screwdriver set. And one thing that separates most of these screws versus the wash screw is most computer case screws are, well, magnetic to the tool. Of course, we only have so much strength, it will pop off. And when I grab it, here it is dangling around. Though I don't want it like that when I put it in, so I am going to line up the teeth with the hole, and it'll stay right there pretty much until I shake it off or just apply it back in. Let's go to the next one so we can see more of the tool and show you a little different trick we have with this tool. Being further down, I can now show you more of the tool and a little trick I can do, holding the top here and just turn. And again, we can remove our screw, just getting it loose, and there we go. And now to apply this back, I'm just simply going to get in the hole, and I can just again spin it right on with my fingers rather than going my whole hand and turning like so. But of course that spinny top allows me to speed screw in and speed screw out, and I can use both hands. Lovely. When it comes to the regular one and this one, our Neewer is a lot more girthy and more comfortable to hold in the hand. But let's take out the screw with the cheap one, the regular one. Nothing really wrong with it per se, other than it's not magnetic, and if it dropped, there's nothing to stop from dropping. And now I have to grab it, put the threads back in, just like if it fell off the other one. So there's that. And now I'm going to line up with this and try to spin it in. Same idea as the other one, but we have no magnetism and it's super thin, which means we can't really get much of a grip versus this nice thicker grip. That's what I like about this, and it's actually pretty darn good. If I didn't answer a question you may have, leave them in the comments below, because if you don't ask, I cannot answer. I do own this, and I bought many different products, many different ones from Neewer as well. Most of those reviews are on Sparky Studio. You're watching Sparky Tech. Why on the Tech channel? Because this relates to everyone. So feel free to subscribe, help this channel grow. If you want to know where the other channels, look at the description in the comments. And if you want to save yourself some money, Neewer often has sales, and I have links to the products I review in the video description. I do honestly make a small kickback. It does not cost any money for you at all for clicking on my links, but it does help this channel. Until next time, thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day. Oh, and on the studio channel, by the way, I have the Neewer RGB 1200 light.